Top 10 new tractors of 2025. 2025 didn't bring concepts, it brought machines, tested, scaled, and delivered. Tractors that aren't just faster or stronger, but more precise, more connected, and more fuel efficient under real-world conditions. Some were designed for narrow orchards, others built to pull 70-foot implements across 3,000 acres without slowing down. But only 10 models this year redefined what new really means. Not because they look different, but because they worked harder, hour after hour, liter after liter, hectare after hectare. This list doesn't sell hype. It ranks performance, technology, field data, and what farmers are switching to. Let's count down the top 10 new tractors of 2025. From compact workhorses to multi-track giants built for long-haul power farming. Don't forget to press and hold that like button, leave a comment, and hit subscribe before we begin. Ranked 10th, Steyr 4120 Plus. Precision farming, downsized. The Steyr 4120 Plus doesn't initially impress. Modest in size, built for sub-120 horsepower tasks, and free of hybrid gimmicks, it might appear ordinary, until the numbers, build quality, and onboard tech start to speak. This is the machine that took home Utility Tractor of the year 2025. Not because it's loud, but because it works harder, lasts longer, and integrates brighter than most in its class. The return of the Plus badge harks back to the late 1960s and early 70s, when Steyr first applied it to compact workhorses across Central Europe. In 2025, the name returns not as nostalgia, but as a technical statement. Performance simplified. At its core, the 4120 Plus is powered by the FPT F36 engine, a 3.6-liter Stage 5 diesel engine tuned to deliver 117 horsepower and a peak torque of 506 Newton-meters at just 1,300 RPM. This isn't overkill torque. It's consistent, reliable power in the low and mid-range. Ideal for hauling, cultivating, or operating loaders over long workdays. Service intervals have been extended to 600 hours, and the HIES CR2 after-treatment system eliminates the need for forced regeneration, thereby reducing machine downtime. The transmission is equally practical. A 24x24 S-controlled 2-gearbox with 2-stage power shift and a brake-to-clutch function that allows loader operators to stop and shift simply by pressing the brake, boosting efficiency without mechanical stress. Hydraulic capacity has been upgraded by 30% compared to previous generations, with a standard flow of 82 liters per minute and a rear linkage lift capacity of 4,700 kilograms. The total machine weight now stands at 7 tons, providing improved balance and drawbar performance even under full rear implement loads. Inside the cab, Steyr prioritizes working comfort. Features include mechanical cab suspension, an air seat, and an ergonomic multi-controller joystick. But the real surprise comes from features rarely seen in the utility class. RTK-ready auto steering, S-Guide, iSOBUS Class 2, complete section control, and live telematics for fleet-level integration. These aren't theoretical upgrades. They're available now, ready to go. The 4120 Plus isn't positioned to compete with flagship high-power tractors. It doesn't need to. Its real advantage is economic precision. For U.S. growers managing 100 to 500 acres or mixed crop operations, it offers a unique combination of field performance, data compatibility, and cost control. And in 2025, few utility tractors under $110,000 can make that case as clearly or as credibly. Ranked 9th, JCB Fastrac 4220. Precision at speed, built for both worlds. The JCB Fastrac 4220 exists in a category few tractors ever attempt to enter. Full-speed transport and full-capability fieldwork, engineered into a single platform. In 2025, it remains one of the few agricultural machines legally certified to run at 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour, on public roads in the US and Europe, without sacrificing drawbar performance or implement handling. That combination defines its market position. Part field tractor, part transport vehicle, fully integrated. The powertrain is centered around a 6.6-liter AGCO power engine. delivering 217 rated horsepower and a peak of 235 horsepower. What makes it stand out isn't the raw output, but the flat torque curve, 1,000 Newton meters sustained through a broad RPM range. Paired with an ML180 continuously variable transmission, the 4220 offers stepless acceleration and optimal engine load at any speed or terrain. Unlike power shift systems with preset gear intervals, the CVT allows infinite ratio adjustment, improving fuel efficiency in both field and road conditions. Suspension is one of Fastrac's defining features. Hydraulic pneumatic systems are installed at both the front and rear axles, delivering a self-leveling ride and active damping control. This setup, combined with a 50-50 weight distribution, makes it one of the few tractors in its class to maintain proper high-speed stability on the road, while also enabling consistent traction under draft loads. On paved surfaces, drivers report near automotive-grade ride comfort, aided by ABS-equipped disc brakes and dual-caliper assemblies, which are uncommon even among premium tractor classes. Field functionality hasn't been neglected. The Fastrac 4220 features four-wheel steering, which significantly reduces the turning radius and enables precise maneuvering in narrow headlands or row crop operations. The hydraulic system delivers 195 liters per minute, with rear linkage lift capacity rated at 8,000 kilograms, sufficient for demanding sprayers, large balers, and heavy seed drills. The front linkage and PTO are standard, enhancing its versatility in front-rear implement combinations. Inside the cab, the ICON control system anchors the operator experience. The multi-touch interface consolidates tractor and implement settings, GPS auto steering, headland management, and camera inputs into one visual platform. Multiple ISOBUS virtual terminals are supported simultaneously, and the entire cab is mounted forward of the rear axle to reduce operator fatigue on long hauls. Climate control, active seat suspension, and panoramic visibility are standard, not upgrades. Commercially, the Fastrac 4220 fills a role no conventional machine quite covers. It's favored by producers who frequently run between fields, such as those involved in hay and silage operations, or mixed farms that require both high-speed slurry transport and fieldwork. In the U.S. market, units retail between $375,000 and $410,000 depending on specification, and are often bundled with JCB's trailers, sprayers, or GPS systems to streamline integration. JCB does not market the Fastrac 4220 as a replacement for articulated machines with 400 horsepower or more. Instead, it is a crossover, faster than most, more versatile than many, and built for farming systems where time spent between fields is just as valuable as time spent inside them. Ranked 8th, John Deere 2025. R Compact Mighty Micro Utility. A different kind of workhorse, the John Deere 2025 R Compact packs serious utility into a compact frame, delivering 24.2 gross horsepower with 18 PTO horsepower from a 1.267-liter, three-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine that meets Tier 4 emission standards. The isolated engine design minimizes vibration and noise, providing a smoother ride and reducing operator fatigue during long hours on the land. Power is transmitted through a simple yet versatile hydrostatic HST transmission with twin-touch TM pedals, a toe-heel system that allows precise throttle and directional control without clutching. Two-range functionality offers speed flexibility across tasks like loader operation or mowing. Hydraulically, the 2025R features a dual mid-selective control valve with loader joystick integration, delivering a combined flow of 13.4 liters per minute for steering and implements. Rear lift capacity reaches approximately 415 kilograms at 24 inches behind the link arms, more than sufficient for compact backhoes and mid-mount mower decks. A standout feature is its compatibility with AutoConnect mid-mower decks, available in 54 and 60-inch widths. These decks can be driven over and connected or removed in under 5 minutes, without the need for tools, making them ideal for property maintenance, mowing, loader work, and more. The platform supports a foldable ROPS, or an optional enclosed cab, power steering, cruise control, and quick attach systems such as iMatch and auto hitch, allowing for swift implement changes without leaving the seat. Built on a 1,600 millimeter wheelbase and weighing approximately 753 kilograms, open to 1,085 kilograms, cab, the 2025R strikes a balance between stability and compact maneuverability. Designed for the 100 to 300 acre property market, hobby farms, and grounds maintenance, this tractor offers professional capabilities on a small scale. Manufacturer pricing starts at around $21,700 for basic configurations. With finance deals, 10-year warranties, and accessory packages, the total cost is expected to increase to approximately $28,000 by mid-2025. This is utility-made compact, quiet, controllable, and versatile, with optional tech upgrades like cruise control and telematics. For operators who need loader capability, mowing flexibility, and reliable performance in a single, easy-to-handle machine, the 2025R provides an optimized solution. Ranked 7th, John Deere 6 M Series, scalable utility, next-level adaptability. This mid-range utility line offers a broad spectrum, from compact farm tasks to demanding transport roles, with horsepower ranging from 95 to 250 horsepower, including a 20 horsepower Intelligent Power Management (IPM) boost in key scenarios. Built on 5 frame sizes and 17 model variants, John Deere's 6M series is crafted to adapt precisely to various farm operations. Under the hood, the core models, 95 to 165 horsepower, utilize the 4.5-liter PowerTech EWL engine, while larger models, up to 250 horsepower, feature a 6.8-liter engine, all designed with high-pressure common rail injection, reaching 2,500 bar and meeting final Tier 4 emission standards, delivering consistent torque peaks, approximately 655 Newton meters at 1,500 revolutions per minute on the 145 horsepower variant, ensures reliable power across a wide range of implements. Transmission options offer flexibility, featuring Power Quad Plus and Command Quad Plus semi-power shifts, available in 20 to 24 speeds, as well as the Auto Power IVT option, which is now available on all models. Select transmissions support legal 50 kilometers per hour transport speeds, addressing feedback for faster field-to-field operation. Hydraulics are available in 2 main configurations: a standard pump delivering 80 liters per minute and an optional pump with a flow rate of 114 to 155 liters per minute, matching the line's scalability from loader work to PTO-intensive applications. All 6 million tractors include JDL-Link telematics, corner post digital displays, and optional larger G5/G5 Plus touchscreens, facilitating precision attachments and remote diagnostics. Cabins range from basic to premium, yet all share the same driver-centric layout: sloped hood for visibility, optional air seat suspension, cruise control, power steering, and R-ops or enclosed options. Reversible radiator fans are available, reducing dust buildup and engine downtime. Those managing 100 to 700 acres or needing a tractor that scales with their workload find value in the 6M's configurability. From mowing and loader use to baling, tillage, and transport, this line serves growers and contractors who demand versatility without paying for unused, high-end features. Pricing typically ranges from $90,000 to over $180,000, depending on the model and configuration. In essence, the 2025 John Deere 6M series delivers adaptable horsepower, transmission flexibility, enhanced hydraulics, and integrated precision capabilities, yet remains grounded in reliable performance. It's a toolbox on wheels, empowering farms to fine-tune their machines to match real-world evolving needs. Ranked 6th, New Holland T9 SmartTrax. Track precision at high power. The New Holland T9 SmartTrax isn't just about horsepower, it's an exercise in engineering balance. Across the 2025 lineup, this track version offers between 475 and 645 rated horsepower, with a maximum of 699. But what sets the SmartTrax model apart is its tracked undercarriage, designed to reduce compaction and deliver consistent traction across varying terrain types. Beneath the frame lies New Holland's 13-liter Cursor engine, featuring EcoBlue HI ESCR emissions compliance and upgraded for Stage 5 Tier 4B standards. Fuel efficiency gains of around 2% and extended service intervals from 1,200 to 1,800 hours aren't just specs on paper, but real-world improvements for busy farm operations. Operators can choose between Ultra Command Full Power Shift or Auto Command CVT transmissions, each tuned to harness high torque while maintaining efficiency. The SmartTrax 2 system introduces oscillating roller wheels, vibration-dampening mounts, and automatic belt tensioning, features designed for smoother travel and longer track life. Tracks have proven benefits in both field and road work, with 4-point comfort ride cab suspension, an articulated frame for 38-degree turning, and an extensive track contact area exceeding 11,000 square inches. The T9 delivers comfort and precision, whether seating or hauling. Ground speeds reach 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, ensuring farm-to-farm transitions remain efficient. Hydraulic performance is substantial, a standard flow of 159 liters per minute, upgradable to 427 liters per minute with a MegaFlow 2 system. Rear linkage lift capacity exceeds 10,000 kilograms, supporting large seeders, planters, and high-capacity sprayers. Fuel capacity has also been expanded to 1,722 liters, 455 US gallons, nearly 50% more than previous versions. This increase minimizes refueling interruptions, especially valuable for operations planting thousands of acres per week. Inside the cab, the operator environment has been refined. Automatic swinging steps pivot with the frame during articulation. The touchscreen interface integrates tractor controls, PLM intelligence, remote diagnostics, GPS auto-steering, and multi-terminal ISO/BUS support. Every control is engineered for scale and repeatability. Available for order in North America from mid-2024, the T9 SmartTrax is designed for producers operating in high-acreage environments where downtime and soil degradation directly impact yield margins. 5-year belt warranty packages are offered standard, underlining New Holland's confidence in its durability. In short, the 2025 T9 SmartTrax isn't just a big track tractor, it's a field-optimized, fuel-efficient, precision platform built for the logistics of modern-scale agriculture. Ranked 5th, Fendt 700, Vario Gen 7, intelligent power, refined performance. The Fendt 700 Vario Gen 7 redefines the mid-power tractor class by combining high-end engineering with fuel efficiency and operator comfort. Rated between 203 and 303 horsepower. Depending on the model, it uses a 7.5-liter AGCO power engine that delivers up to 1,450 Newton-meters of torque at just 1,300 RPM on the 728 variant, maintaining a flat torque curve ideal for both field and transport work. Its transmission, the Vario Drive CVT, offers seamless speed control from a crawl to 60 kilometers per hour, transferring full engine power continuously across that range. Fendt's low engine speed philosophy, ID, keeps operations within 1,100 to 1,700 revolutions per minute, minimizing fuel use and extending engine life. Weighing approximately 8,800 kilograms with fuel and standard attachments, the tractor achieves a power-to-weight ratio of around 30 kilograms per horsepower, striking a balance between stability and agility. Its pneumatic front axle and cab suspension, combined with Fendt stability control and Vario grip tire pressure regulation, ensure consistent traction and superior ride comfort during long workdays. Hydraulics deliver industry-leading flow, standard at 165 liters per minute and up to 220 liters per minute in high-capacity configuration. The rear hitch can lift over 11,050 ton, while the front linkage supports 5,300 ton, making it well-suited for heavy planters, mowers, or snow attachments. Color-coded front and rear couplers can be reassigned digitally through the Fendt ONE interface, eliminating the need for manual hose changes. The cab is designed for efficiency and focus. A large touchscreen runs Fendt ONE, integrating auto-steering, ISO/BUS control, implement presets, and dual-camera displays. Air-sprung seating, a multi-angle adjustable steering column, climate automation, and active sound dampening are standard. Cabin noise levels remain under 70 decibels A, even during high-load work. This Gen 7 model also introduces the concentric air system, a hydraulically driven fan that maintains consistent engine cooling while consuming 40% less power than conventional fan systems. It helps maintain performance while reducing engine wear and tear. In 2025, the Fendt 700 Vario Gen 7 remains a leading choice for growers managing medium to large acreages who demand precision, comfort, and high transport speeds without jumping into the 400-plus horsepower class. The tractor strikes a rare balance between refinement and rugged capability, making it a flagship model in a competitive power range. Ranked 4th, John Deere 9 RX Series, 4-track power reimagined. John Deere's 9 RX Series redefines high-horsepower farming by integrating 4-track traction, powerful hydraulics, and precision farming tech into machines that deliver 710 to 830 rated horsepower, with peaks up to 913 horsepower at full load. Rather than chasing headline figures, this system provides consistent performance across large-scale operations. At the heart lies the JD18, an 18-liter inline 6-cylinder engine featuring dual turbochargers and cooled EGR. It meets final Tier 4 emission standards without requiring DEF, simplifying field logistics and reducing fluid handling. Torque peaks at 4,234 Newton meters at 1,400 revolutions per minute, supported by a 38% torque increase and a 10% power surge, ensuring strong output under steady load conditions. Power shifts through the E21 transmission, a 21-speed power shift with efficiency manager, supporting transport speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. The high-flow hydraulic system offers up to 636 liters per minute with a triple pump configuration and includes intelligent power management, providing an extra 40 horsepower when hydraulic load demands it. The 4-track undercarriage, available in 30 or 36-inch Camso ag belts, provides superior flotation and traction across soft or uneven terrain. With a wheelbase of 4.62 meters and a turning radius under 7 meters, the 9RX offers field stability without compromising maneuverability. Inside the Command View Phi Plus cab, operator space and visibility are enhanced, with a 15% larger floor area, wider side glass, and 4-point suspension that keeps the ride quality smooth. The G5 Plus console, integrated Starfire receiver, JDL-Link telematics, and autonomy-ready wiring bring the system into the era of precision and remote management. Operational field data confirms the 9RX 830 can disc over 100 more acres per day and pull twice the load uphill compared to its predecessor, while saving up to 800 gallons of DEF annually. That efficiency isn't just mechanical, it's logistical and economic. With a base weight of 74,000 pounds, scalable to over 84,000 with monoballast, and a 1,952-liter fuel tank, the 9RX is designed for continuous high-demand workloads. Dealers now support these units with fast-fill refueling kits, remote diagnostics, and proactive service alerts. The 2025 9RX isn't simply John Deere's biggest tractor to date. It's a high-precision platform that combines torque, track geometry, data, and operator support into one cohesive system. For large acreage operations, it's more than muscle, it's margin. Ranked 3rd, JCB Fastrac 8330 ICON, flagship speed and power in one frame. The JCB Fastrac 8330 ICON redefines expectations by merging high-velocity transport with heavy-duty field capability, all within a single chassis. Powered by an AGCO 8.4-liter, 6-cylinder diesel engine delivering 335 rated horsepower, 348 horsepower max, and a broad 1,440 Newton meters torque peak at 1,500 revolutions per minute, it balances speed and strength like few other tractors can. Its CVT transmission, paired with smart transmission control, ensures seamless power regulation, enabling operators to set ground speed targets and let the drivetrain manage engine RPM and torque delivery. The result is a responsive system that handles both load and terrain changes without interruption. One of the 8330's standout features is its ability to reach up to 70 kilometers per hour, making it among the fastest production tractors available. Achieving that safely requires ABS-equipped four-wheel disc brakes, dual-circuit steering, and all-around hydro-pneumatic suspension, options typically reserved for premium tractors. On the field, this is a tractor built for serious work. The rear linkage supports up to 10,000 kilograms, with hydraulics delivering nearly 178 liters per minute to drive extensive tillage, seeding, or spraying implements. Four-wheel steering further enhances agility, enabling precise headland turns even when handling hefty attachments. The mid-mounted Command Plus cab exemplifies JCB's craftsmanship, offering panoramic visibility, air ride seating, climate control, and fully digital, customizable controls. The 12-inch touchscreen integrates iSOBUS, GPS, camera feeds, and CVT settings under the Icon system, Icon Figure, iConnect, and iControl, all designed to streamline the operator's workflow. Weighing roughly 11.4 tons and stretching 5.65 meters in length, the 8330 blends scale with speed. At around $359,000 in early 2025, it sits at the top of JCB's agricultural lineup, justified by its dual-role performance and advanced technology stack. The JCB Fastrac 8330 ICON doesn't merely offer more horsepower, it rebuilds the concept of utility. It's a flagship-scale, high-speed platform where transport, traction, and operator experience converge into one unified machine. Ranked second, Fendt 620 Vario DP, four-cylinder giant, mid-power mastery. Fendt 620 Vario DP stands out by delivering 6 series performance from a compact four-cylinder engine, rated at 209 horsepower, with dynamic performance boosting peak output to 224 horsepower when needed. This balance of power and precision earned it the title of Tractor of the Year 2025 in the mid-power category. Under the hood lies the AGCO Power CORE 55.0-liter engine, operating under Fendt's ID low-rev concept. Torque peaks at 950 Newton-meters between 1,200 and 1,600 revolutions per minute, ensuring powerful traction while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. This setup enables the engine to operate within its most efficient range across a wide range of tasks. The Vario drive transmission is a single-range continuously variable transmission, CVT, with automatic front-to-rear torque distribution. It enables uninterrupted power delivery, zero range shifting, and complete speed control up to 50 kilometers per hour, whether on the road or in the field. In official DLG power mix tests, the 620 Vario DP achieved fuel consumption as low as 245 grams per kilowatt hour in mixed field and transport work, and just 311 grams per kilowatt hour at full transport speed, figures that place it among the most fuel-efficient tractors in its class. These gains are not theoretical. They translate directly into real-world savings for commercial operations. The hydraulic system delivers up to 152 liters per minute in standard form, with an optional upgrade to 205 liters per minute. Rear linkage lift capacity reaches 9,790 kilograms, with the front handling up to 4,418 kilograms. Well suited for heavy front loader attachments, mowers, or dual implement setups. With a compact 2.72-meter wheelbase and a tight turning circle of around 10.2 meters, the 620 maintains class-leading maneuverability. Pneumatic suspension on both the front axle and the cab provides a comfortable ride across rough terrain and transport work alike. Operator comfort is further enhanced by Fendt One integration, a touchscreen interface that unites tractor control, iSOBUS management, auto steering, and telematics. The Visio Plus cab features climate-controlled seating, noise insulation under 68 decibels A, and optional memory position massage seats. Tire pressure regulation through Vario Grip is also standard on premium builds, optimizing fuel efficiency and traction in real time. Weighing around 7.7 metric tons, the 620 Vario DP delivers 6-cylinder performance from a 4-cylinder platform, with no compromise in lifting, towing, or precision control. It's compact without being undersized and capable without being overbuilt. For many growers operating in mixed environments or hilly terrain, it offers one of the most efficient horsepower per kilo ratios in today's mid-power market. In first place, Case IH Quadtrac 715, high-power, heavy-duty, precision-ready. The Case IH Quadtrac 715 leads the field as the most powerful tractor in the Steyr lineup, delivering 715 rated horsepower with a peak of 778 horsepower and a maximum torque of 3,356 Newton meters at 1,400 revolutions per minute from its 15.9-liter FPT Cursor 16 twin-stage turbocharged engine, purpose-built for heavy draft operations and extreme implement loads. This power is routed through a 16x2 power drive complete power shift transmission, engineered for consistent speed and torque handling during both field and road work. The Automatic Productivity Management APM system intelligently balances engine speed and gear selection to maximize efficiency under real-world workloads. Equipped with 762mm wide tracks and an upgraded suspension undercarriage, the Quadtrac 715 minimizes soil disturbance while providing superior ground contact. The hydraulically tensioned tracks, equipped with large drive wheels and rubber-damped mid-rollers, absorb field shocks, providing better traction and a smoother operator experience across uneven terrain. Twin hydraulic pumps deliver up to 428 liters per minute, with up to 8 rear remote valves supporting complex implements. The rear linkage lift capacity exceeds 10,000 kilograms, while optional drawbar enhancements extend capability for extra heavy vertical loads, such as high-capacity planters or air drills. Fuel and uptime are central to this machine's operating profile. Nearly 2,000 liters of combined diesel and DEF capacity enable extended hours in the field without refueling. Maintenance time is reduced via centralized grease points, automated track tensioning, and simplified engine access. Operator comfort is addressed with a re-engineered cab featuring 360-degree LED visibility, pivoting power steps, noise insulation, air suspension seating, and the full AFS Pro 1200 monitor suite with AccuTurn and ISO BUS integrated control. GPS guidance and remote diagnostics are standard via FieldOps platform integration. Awarded Tractor of the Year 2025 in the high-power category, the Quadtrac 715 sets a new benchmark in its class, not simply for horsepower, but for its total systems integration, power, traction, hydraulics, efficiency, and technology, all calibrated for the demands of large-scale operators. Across regions, fuel types, and field sizes, 2025 delivered more than upgrades. It brought clarity on which machines are worth the investment and which are already reshaping commercial farming. From precision steering on 100 horsepower platforms to suspended track systems handling over 700 horses with minimal compaction. The evolution is measurable, but what comes next won't just be bigger. It will be more adaptive, autonomous, and focused on uptime rather than output. These were the 10 that cut this year. Next season, the list may look very different. Let us know which one resonates with you in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.